Hey everybody, welcome back to the garage. We're out here again. We're gonna do another little project, although little projects sometimes turn into be big projects with this old truck. You never know what you're getting into. Honestly, it should be easy, pretty straightforward. We're gonna put that weather stripping that I've got laying on the ground right there and kind of draped on the door. We're gonna get that weather stripping installed. This truck doesn't have any weather stripping and it definitely needs that extra protection. So we're gonna try and add that to it. So let's see how it goes. Come with us. So here's our weather stripping that we bought. We got a couple packages. This stuff we got, I think, through LMC. And we're gonna get this thing, we just kind of got it draped over to kind of test fit it, see how it's gonna line up. It does have these little knobs, and those go in some holes underneath this door. And let me see if I can show you. I don't know if we'll see them, but there's little holes along the bottom of that door. And that's where that weather stripping lines up. We also are gonna need to use this adhesive. We bought that from LMC as well. And it's supposed to be super tacky because this stuff wants to fall off and hang wherever it wants to go. So you're gonna need something pretty sticky. We'll probably reinforce it with some tape to hold it in place while it dries. But we're gonna try and get this stuff put on.
If we had a song, it began at the start. Explain our life from the very first part. Laughing loud with the radio on. Learning life before it was gone. First old cars and learning to drive. Two hearts feeling so alive. All those dances holding you strong. And that night in that old Corvette, we stayed out too long. Late night talks, sneaking home slow. Corny poems that only you know. If we had a song, it'd sound like this. Young love burning in our first kiss. Every mile, every right and wrong. All the years keep rolling along. From front porch dreams to family.
Well, this project has turned out to be a lot worse than I had hoped for. So I'm sure there are better ways to do it, and I'm open to suggestions. But this was a pain in the butt, honestly. And it was very messy. I'm probably gonna have to retouch up some of the paint because this stuff got everywhere. And I mean, it's messy, so it's all over. I'm not extremely confident, but I guess we'll see how it goes. All right, here is the other side of the weather stripping. We learned our lesson on this to not bring this tape around the other side, and to also be very careful with the amount of glue that we use on this thing. The other side, we were a lot more reckless with it, I guess you want to call. You can see some of this. That stuff, if you try and peel that up later, like see some of these smudges, I'm gonna just have to touch those up with red paint, or even just kind of lightly sand them and then touch them up with red paint, because that will peel up all the way down to the white paint. I can show you on the other door. And then in these curves, we have to use some of these clamps. On the other door, we've got some clamps as well to help hold them. They don't want to conform or bend very easy, and the tape alone doesn't hold it in place very well. So we're finding that it's better to use these clamps, and you'll see. But every few inches, follow it with some tape to keep it in place, and let that dry overnight, and it should be good to go. And we did it all underneath it as well. We're just gonna let that dry overnight. Tomorrow morning, should be all dried up. We'll come pull those tape pieces off and we'll be good to go. Okay, thanks for watching. Stick around, keep updated on this truck. It's coming along, so be ready soon. We'll see you on the next one.